Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how we can send the Facebook group post to the Discord channel automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new post into your Facebook group, automatically the same post should be shared on your Discord channel. For this, we need to create a connection or a link between Facebook group and Discord so that whenever a new post is created in your Facebook group, the same post is shared on your Discord channel. So how we are going to create a connection or an integration between Facebook group and Discord, that we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time, that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Facebook group name Deals and Information, and this is my Discord channel. So now I want that whenever I create a new post here in my Facebook group, automatically it should get shared on my Discord channel over here. So I'm just going to create a new post over here in my Facebook group. Let's click on create a public post. Okay, I'm just going to select some of the images from my system. Okay, and let us select this particular image. And I'm just going to give the caption as new use case for Pabbly Connect. Okay, and let's click on post. And here we can see that a new post has been created. So now let us check our Discord channel. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can see a new message from Facebook Groups Integration. Hey everyone, a new post is just published on our Facebook group. Check it out here. Let's check what is there inside this link. Okay, and here we are redirected to the Facebook group post. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new post here in my Facebook group and automatically the same post is shared on my Discord channel also. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Facebook group and Discord, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with Discord automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook group. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the post that you have created in your Facebook group. Then using those details, automatically the same post will be shared on your Discord channel. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Facebook groups and Discord channel automatically using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Connect Facebook Groups to Discord. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the post details to be captured from Facebook groups. So open this trigger window. Here in the choose app, let us find Facebook groups. In the trigger event, we have to select new post. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook groups. Authorization successful And now the Facebook groups are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Facebook account. Now some instructions are mentioned over here. So in order to use Facebook groups with Pabbly Connect, you must have installed Pabbly Connect app in your Facebook group. And in order to install the app, we have to go to the Facebook account, visit your desired Facebook group, manage group area and click on the settings, edit app section under the manage advanced settings and click on the add application button. Okay. So we have to create a link between Facebook groups and Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll just take you to my Facebook group. So this is the Facebook group which I have created named Deals and Information. Here, when we scroll down, at last we can find the settings option. Click on it. And when we scroll down, at last we can find the manage advanced settings option. And here we can find the apps. So click on edit apps. Now here we have to click on add apps. Now in the search bar, let us find Pabbly Connect. Add application to this group. Yes, we want to add this particular application to the group. Let's click on add. Okay, and here we have added Pabbly Connect application to the group. So let's move back to the home page of the group. Okay, and when we refresh it, here we can find that a third-party application named Pabbly Connect is added to the group. Okay, so now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we have just created the integration between Pabbly Connect and the Facebook group. Okay, now here we have to select the group name. So the group name which I have created is Deals and Information, which I have already shown you. So we are going to select the same group name over here, that is Deals and Information. Now here we have to give the limit. Enter the limit of new posts to be fetched on each execution. For better results, limit should be 10 or more. So I am just going to give the limit as 999. Okay, here you can set the limit as per your requirement. And before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a new post into the Facebook group. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to the Facebook group. So let's create a new post over here. I'm just going to add an image. Okay, so let us select the images from my system. I'll just go to the uploads, and when we scroll down here, I can find my image. Okay, this one, Pabbly Connect integration. So I'm just going to give the caption as Pabbly Connect new integrations. And let's click on post. Okay, and here we can see that a new post has been created, Pabbly Connect new integrations along with the image. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that a response is received. Here we can find the full picture. So this is the picture URL. Here we can find the post link. Here we can see a message, Pabbly Connect new integrations. This is the caption which we have given. And all other details related to the post are captured over here. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So now we want that this particular post should be shared on the Discord channel. For that, come to this action window, open it. Here in the search bar, let us find Discord. In the action event, we have to select Send Channel Message HTML. Click on Connect. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL. So enter your webhook URL over here. Follow these steps to get the webhook URL from your Discord account. So I'm just going to click on this particular link. Okay, and here we can find that all the instructions to enter the webhook URL into the Discord are given over here. So log into your Discord account, open your server settings and head into the integrations tab. So by following all these instructions, a new webhook can be set. Okay, so as I already know all these instructions, I'm just directly taking you to my Discord account. So here you can see that I have created several servers over here. If you want to create a new server, by clicking on this plus sign, add a server, a new server can be created. Okay, and here in this particular server, that is Pabbly Integrations, I have created few channels. So if you want to create a new channel, by clicking on this plus sign, create channel, a new channel can be created. Okay, so let us create a channel named text channel. Sorry, the channel type as text channel. I'm just going to give the channel name as Facebook Groups Posts. Okay, and here we can set the channel visibility as private channel or a public channel. So I have made it as a private channel. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay, and let's click on next. So if you want to add some members or the roles over here, you can add the members over here. So I'm just going to add some of the members. Okay, and let's click on create channel. Okay, and here we can see that a new channel named Facebook Groups Post is created over here. Now here we have to come to this small down arrow sign, click on it, and here we can find the server settings. Click on server settings, and here we can find the integrations tab. Click on integrations. Now here we can find the webhooks. Click on view webhooks. Here you can see that I have created several webhooks over here. So now we are going to create a new webhook over here. For that, click on new webhook. Okay, here we are going to just give a name to the webhook. So let us give it as Facebook Groups Integration. Okay, here you can give the name as per your requirement. Here we have to select the channel name. So the channel name which we have created recently is Facebook Groups Post. Let us select this channel. And here we can find copy webhook URL. So simply click on it. The webhook will be copied and then click on save changes. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Discord channel. Okay. Now here we have to give the message. So I have added the message as, hey everyone, a new post is just published on our Facebook group. Check it out here. And after this, we are just going to map the post link. Okay, this is the post link. Let us map it. Now here, if you want to mention the bot name or the bot icon, you can mention it over here. And you can select the text to speech also. Choose if the text to speech is enabled. So in my case, I'm just keeping it as disabled. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay, so we have mapped all the details now. So let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our Discord channel. And here we can see a message from Facebook Groups Integration. Hey everyone, a new post is just published on our Facebook group. Check it out here, and a link is mentioned. So I'm just going to click on this link. Okay, and here we are redirected to our Facebook post. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just create a new post on my Facebook group over here. So I'm just going to click on create a public post. Let us select an image from my system. And this time I'm just going to select some other image. Okay, that is the core integrations image. And I'm just going to give the caption as core integrations. Okay, and let's click on post. Okay, and here we can see that a new post has been created. So let us check our Discord channel. I'm just going to refresh it. And here, even after refreshing, we can't find our post just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. And here, after 10 minutes, we can find a new message. Hey everyone, a new post is just published on our Facebook group. Check it out here. So let us just click on this link and check what is there inside this link. Okay, and here we are redirected to the core integrations Facebook group post. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Facebook group and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new post, and using those details of the new post, automatically a new message is created into the Discord channel. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook groups and Discord using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.